What are we doing here?
Right. So, we already put the tape in.
We? Okay, cut. Start again.
You
Oh.
already put the tape and the newspaper on the parts that we aren't going to paint and stuff that don't need to be painted.
Mm-hmm.
So now we gotta sand.
You got the we part
Yup.
wrong.
No.
You got a sand.
Oh. Yeah. Me. Whoops. And then eventually, hopefully, we'll get to paint this thing.
All right, let's go to work.
Alright, let's get to sanding.
What's our next step after we sand it?
We gotta put it in primer, don't we?
Yeah.
I'm attempting to open it without spilling it. Wait, is it paint? No, it's primer, right?
Oh,
Ooh,
we have to mix that up here.
yikes. It's pretty black though. Why is it gray?
You gotta mix it, fool.
Where's the stick? Fool! I didn't do the front. Look at the picture before you mess with the truck.
Okay, where are we gonna put the rest of our decals?
I'm pretty sure these are stickers. Sparkly stickers.
They're decals.
They're stickers.
They're decals.
Pretty sure they're stickers. If they stick to something, they're stickers.
Okay, so we'll call them adult stickers,
Okay. I
but they're
can do that.
decals.
Okay. This one probably go like something like that.
No. So these will go underneath the mirror.
Okay. Wait, you have more stickers.
They're decals.
Wait, yeah, you have another sticker.
It's a decal. Okay, fresh out the paint booth.
Not 100% sure you should call that a paint booth, but
Yeah, it was different. So
looks good.
for your first paint job, I think so.
I quite like it. Yeah.
You taped the car, pulled the tape off. The paint came off as well because you put the paint or you put the tape on the car.
Are we 100% sure I did that?
Oh, Minny, put tape right there. That was, bro, I would never do that. I'm a pro. I would never do that. But all in all,
Says the one who's dripping paint in the front. Burn!
All right.
Some aloe flap. Burn!
All in all, oh, we gotta redo the.
Dead?
Yeah, it's got overspray where we put it down, and then we gotta spray paint underneath the truck.
It's alright.
We'll do that before we get the wheels on. And then we gotta redo our taillights. They're all sandy, dusty. Yeah. We're missing some clear on the door there, buddy.
I told you, buddy.
But why didn't you say something?
I did. You were like, do I need some paint over here? I said, yes.
No, you didn't.
And then you went, okay.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay.
So if you missed it, I guess that's your fault.
Okay. Not bad for your first paint job. Not bad, bro.
Thanks, man. You have a buggy on your car.
Yeah, it needs a wash.
No, that's amazing.
Don't touch it.
I wasn't gonna touch it.
All right.